How to hide highlights on Instagram without deleting. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your photos from your highlights without having to delete them. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Here you will see all the highlights that you have added in your profile. Then tap on any one of them. At this page, just tap on three-dot icon that says More and tap on Remove from Highlight. Tap on Remove Photo. Now refresh your page and you can see that the highlight has been removed. Now to find that highlight, just tap on three-dot icon on your top right and tap on Archive. Tap the Post Archive and switch it to Stories Archive. And just like so, this is where you will find your removed highlights. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.